Hey Angela, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire. I'm going to show you in this video 3 things that you can do to improve the aftermath remediation site online and to get you guys coming, you get some more business coming your way. This is a free attack plan. I want to show you to help you understand what's going on, what your competitors are doing to take business from you guys, how they're outranking you, what you can do about it, and just sum that all up into 3 things that Google's looking for. They're looking for content on your website that's 1,500 words minimum. It needs to be keyword rich, so we look at like what is actually being searched out there around remediation services and get that content right on your website so that Google can find you. It's backlinks, so these are other websites that are strong, relevant to the industry that you're in, referring to your website. And then there's citations, which are all these online directories out there that your name, address, and business phone number are listed on. And we want to blow away our competition as far as the quantity of those listings. So it's those 3 things that we're going to put together. I'm going to show you what's going on your site right now. Your site has a little bit of content on it. It's nowhere near enough, and it's just not doesn't include the keywords that you need to have on there. So when I'm talking about keywords, I'm looking at how many things around the services that you are trying to be found for, like water damage Deltona, water extraction Orlando, wherever you're trying to find business. These are the keywords that we're trying to put onto your website. So that's just a little bit about what I'm talking about there. Looking at your competitors, you can see First Response. They've got quite a bit of content. They've got some nice video on theirs. They've got Google's always going to rank video, so getting some video is great. They've got content. They've got all these little things. Learn More has additional content in it. They've just got a lot more on their website. This is probably your strongest competition right now as far as on the content level of things. Looking at PureClean, they've got a back page that they're targeting Palm Coast, Florida. It's got a little bit of content on it around Palm Coast. It's not anything that we can't overtake for that specific keyword. Looking at ServiceMaster Restore, same thing. They are, targeting water damage mitigation. They're targeting fire damage restoration. These are all keywords that they are trying to target, and they've got some content on their website. Again, not near enough. We're gonna take them over and really beat them. Palm Coast water damage restoration. This is precision mold removal. And their company has, they got a nice little video. They've got some content, another video. All of these things are really good to target. They've got water removal. They've got just different keywords that are being found for. Another way that we do this is to, if I open this image, I can see what that image is named. And you can see it's got flood damage restoration Kauai. I don't know why Kauai is in there, but that would be a keyword that we want to have in the photos on your website. So that's just another way that we can get a keyword onto your website. So content is king. Looking at where you're being found right now, you've got 2 organic keywords found on your website. This is woefully inadequate as far as like trying to actually get Google to find you guys. Remediation construction and aftermath restoration are the only 2 keywords that you're being found for. If you look at, I'm going to back up here, look at your backlinks. You've got 42 backlinks coming to 16 referring domains. We want to keep that ratio tight as we can, but we also want it to be relevant backlinks coming to your site, and I'll drill down into those in just a moment. Looking at your competitors, this is PureClean. Now, their whole domain is really strong. Their specific site for Palm Coast is not. They've only got 4 keywords they're being found for, and their URL strength is a 10. That's not anything that's scary to me. If you look at ServiceMaster Restore, their specific back page for Palm Coast, 2 keywords being found. This is nothing. The URDR is terrible. We're going to blow them away. If you look at thedisasterteam.com, they've got water damage restoration services and their name there, as far as like in the top part, the slug there. This is also a site that has 150 keywords on it. they are actually doing some work to target those. But if I look over time, their backlinks are nil. I mean, over time, they've just maintained where they are. They're not really growing in strength. I like to see this on a climbing scale that's got a nice angle to it over time. So what this tells me is that they've built up their site and they've kind of forgotten about it. They've done just enough to get to where they are, but they're not really trying to grow it. So again, we drill down into these referring domains. I'll look at this. I see how much strength is pulling up over here, and I go after those same ones. If I can get these same ones, I get those for you, the same links. If I can't, then I go after and find, okay, this is an 8 do follow coming in. I'm going to go get one that's stronger than that so we can pass them up. That's kind of how that works. I look at the competition, see what they're doing, match what I can on their site, and then what I can't match, then I go add additional backlinks to boost your strength past them. Looking back at yours, 16 referring domains. You've got 6, a 4, and a 4, a couple 1, 2s, and 3s. You just need more, and you need stronger ones and relevant ones. Looking at citations, so this is the third thing. Citations are where you've got your name, address, and phone number listed exactly the same on all these directories. So what I would do is I would put this is just an example of a restoration company in Northwest Arkansas. I put your competition, your name in, your competitors in, and I see what you have versus them. So Innovative Restored, I've added 60 onto there so far. We're continually adding these, and we've blown past the competition. They're already playing catch up if they're even paying attention to this at all. I want this to be up near 100, keep them, the 60, 70 between us, so they're always playing catch up. We just dominate. This program allows me to look at like which ones that, we all have MapQuest, we all have Manta. This is one, worldorgs.com. I'm not even sure what that is, but it's a citation I need to go get because our competitors have it and we don't. So we're continually adding these, monitoring these, and adding the ones over time just to, rank up organically. I also look at your Google My Business page. I look at what do you have down in the description for your company. I add keyword rich description there. It's just another way that we can get keywords in something that Google is crawling to see that you guys are the top dog in the space. I look at your photos, how many photos you have, how many your competitors have. Are your photos tagged with keywords? We do all of that to try to just drive strength on your Google My Business, because that gets reflected back over in this section here where we're trying to rank in these top 3 spaces. So organic section down below, this is the space here where we're trying to rank for your Google My Business, and we want to just build a strength over there over time. Water damage, Palm Coast, Florida. You guys are not pulling up in that top 3. I think you are in the top 5. If I click here, there you are right there. That's great. You're not too far away, so we should be able to move up for that pretty easily. Down water damage, Daytona Beach. If I drill down into that, I couldn't even find you guys on the list, just searching real quickly. So we got some work to do there if you're trying to target Daytona. But, just one tool that we use is a thing called Local Viking. It helps us to see exactly how you're doing in a region for your Google My Business. I can put in a search term and find, your business name, and it shows me exactly how you're doing. This is one way that we try to monitor this to build strength for you guys over time. So that's it in a nutshell. Google's looking for 3 things: content, keyword rich, 1,500 words minimum. We need to beat your competition, what they're doing, and we can go after as much search as you want to for different cities. We build a custom plan for you guys around that. We look at the backlink structure, what your competitors' backlinks are, how strong you need to be. We make sure they're relevant. It's not like, you're doing flipping pizza, so we're not getting a Pizza Hut backlink coming to you. Again, it just needs to be relevant in your industry. That gives you the most strength. And then citations, your name, address, and phone number, your NAP listed on as many directories as possible online, and just, dominate your competition. So I'd love to talk to you further about how we can, get some more business in the restoration space for you guys out there, what cities you're trying to target specifically, where you want to grow, how much you want to grow, how fast you want to grow. and build a custom plan for you around that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.